Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to talk about a topic that's really important to a lot of us, biotin, also known as vitamin B7. So what is biotin? It's an essential vitamin that helps us turn fats, carbs, and proteins into energy. It's often recommended for stronger hair and nails, and it's also key for keeping our skin healthy. But its benefits go way beyond beauty. Biotin helps control blood sugar levels, so it's helpful for people with diabetes. It also helps our thyroid and adrenal glands work properly, which is good for our metabolism. Now, how does biotin work? It acts like a coenzyme in our body, making it easier to turn food into energy and create important things like fatty acids and amino acids. When it comes to dosage, it's best to start with what your doctor recommends. Usually, adults can take between 30 and 100 micrograms per day. But remember, the dosage can change depending on your health needs. However, even though biotin seems like a miracle worker, it's important to be careful. Taking too much biotin can cause skin rashes, digestive issues, or even problems with how our body releases insulin. Pay attention to any unusual symptoms and talk to your doctor. To sum it up, biotin is a powerful and beneficial vitamin, but just like any supplement, we should use it carefully. Start with a proper diagnosis and follow your doctor's recommendations. Take care of your health, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching this video. Remember that taking care of your health is a marathon, not a sprint. See you in the next one.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.